We build the Orion system in a building not far from here, and it looks really big to us when we're building it, but when you see it stacked on top of this massive rocket, it looks actually kind of small.
We are going to be launching the first woman, the first person of color, and the next man on the Orion spacecraft. And this mission, what we're practicing for today, is checking out that spacecraft before that happens. We want to make sure this spacecraft is good and ready and safe for those astronauts so we can get to the moon.